Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with another 365 days of fish keeping. That means I'm going to put out one video a day highlighting a fish, a plant, a food, anything fish keeping related. Videos are going to be quick little snapshots for whatever the subject of the day is. If we're talking about fish or plants, it's going to be a quick little synopsis, care guide about them, and if it's food or equipment, we'll run through all the ins and outs of them and pros and cons. And I'm going to give everything a score of 1 to 10 based on my personal opinion on them and my use of them. And as always, please remember to support this channel by smashing that sub button. And let's get right into this one. In this video, we're going to talk about a food that I first started feeding when I wanted to try my hand at cherry shrimp, and then I just started feeding it to my snails when the cherry shrimp didn't work out too well, and that food is the Shrimp King Complete by Dinnerlay. So this food comes in small little pellets that actually smell really good. I know I'm weird for smelling my fish food, but there you go, they look like that. Looks like a little rabbit pellet if you've had those before. And then upon looking at the ingredients, it kind of makes sense why they smell good. These pellets are jam-packed with kelp, dandelion, cinnamon, stinging nettle, spinach, mulberry leaves, rosemary, flower pollen, turmeric, and insect proteins, along with some other things. I'll put the full list on screen for y'all here. As far as the analytical goodies go, you're going to have about 23.1% crude protein, 6.2% crude fat, and 9.2% crude fiber. So this is what their website has to say about this food. It says, feed sticks for daily feeding, contains all the important nutrients, substances needed for growth, and a vital substance the shrimp needs for healthy, balanced growth, vibrant coloring, and plentiful reproduction. And I was doing just that. I was feeding these every day to my shrimp and then of course to my snails. And they also said that one 5mm pellet will feed about 20 shrimp and to remove any extras after 24 hours. I can tell you from my personal experience, I never had any left over. They ate it all up. And the good thing about this food is that it easily breaks apart. So if you have to feed smaller amounts, it's really easy just to take this here and boom, snap it right in half. And there's really no issue to that at all. That way you can feed smaller amounts to your different snails and shrimps and all the good inverts you might have. Now, as I was said, I have also was feeding this to snails after my cherry shrimp died. The good thing about this food is it also breaks apart once it sinks to the bottom so that it disperses itself. It kind of gets bigger and it helps with less aggressive issues with your feeding. I'll also toss it in my community tank or my different tanks around different times, just once a month maybe I'll throw one in with my community tank feeding along with the regular food. That way, the bottom feeders have something different to feed on that's not just the same stuff all the time. And I have broken it apart to feed my guppy tank as well, so I'll take one of these pellets and kind of break it up a bit and just throw it in, and the guppies love it and have never complained. The only real negative I can say about this food is that the price to size ratio of this is a little pricey. So for one 45-gram bottle like this, you're looking anywhere between $15 to $20, depending on the place you buy it from. I've personally not seen it go lower than $15 in the last 2 years. Now, if you're only doing 1 or 2 shrimp tanks, or maybe even 3 or 4, this food will be great. But if you're doing a whole shrimp room and you've got rows and rows upon rows of shrimp tanks, then this might get a little costly. But it is a great food, high quality, and it is tried and tested by some of the big names in shrimp business. That all being said, this is probably one of the best and highest quality shrimp foods on the market compared to other ones, and I've never seen a shrimp or snail come out of hiding so quickly to get to their food. I've tried other snail or invert foods before, and this one really gets them. They hover to, they go straight to it. I don't have to wait for them to eat it, they just attack it right away. So for all these reasons, plus the cost of the food, I'm only going to give the Dinnerlay Shrimp King Complete a 6.5 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for your continued support on the videos. If you're new here and you enjoyed the content, please think about hitting that sub button, ding that notification bell so you get notified when I upload and when I go live for my streams. And as always, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you use this food, what your experience has been, if you think it's worth the price, and hit that like button if you have not already. So until next time, I'll see you guys.